Come on, Skip. So I have my one of the dogs here, my little kitty. He's a master dog. He's a great dog for London with. My half is actually here and also get along with. And I'm going to work on various crosses and various captains of line crosses. As you know, because it's much easier on my slimy kneecap than my left knee. There's lots of times with the dog. Unfortunately, the skill that has not proven for me. So we're going to see how I practice stuff here. And the video will follow. Not very good for a start, huh? Here, hi. Beep. Beep. Hey. No, go play. Come here. Okay, well, I thought on all of that. I did manage to get a blind cross in there. I don't think I did particularly well. Did bother him either way.